Good afternoon, it's Rusty with Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. Today we're looking at a drainage solution. Well, actually it's a drainage problem that doesn't have a solution yet, and talking about how we can solve that so we can grow healthier turf and get the water outside of the yard. So we'll take a look. A common problem we see today in Gainesville lawns is drainage problems. As you can see right here where there's standing water, you can see there's decent shade tolerant grass over there, but as soon as you get into the standing water area, it just holds water and kills grass. Here's another example where you've got just standing water causing major issues. There may even be some type of leak there, but you've got just no grass living because every time it rains, the water just stands a couple inches deep. So an easy way to solve this problem is a catch basin and drainage system. We can install a catch basin, cut a hole right here in the curb, and drain that water out. You can see right now it's waiting till the water runs over the curb to drain out. But if we cut a hole in this curb right here, put a pipe and a catch basin over here, if water's always going to run downhill, so it'll run right to that catch basin and run right out in the curb and get that water out of the soil. Same thing could be done over here, catching that water in a catch basin and taking it out right here to the front curb and running it out so it doesn't just sit there on the lawn. Once again, this is Rusty with Masters Lawn Care. You know, a lot of people ask us, why do we do drainage? And the truth is that drainage is fairly simple. Water has to run downhill. It's going to take the path of least resistance. Sometimes the path of least resistance is killing your lawn by sitting in the grass. Sometimes the path of least resistance is along your foundation of your home where downspouts, gutter downspouts drain out. Sometimes the path of least resistance is a French drain that we install or a dry creek bed. There's lots of different options. Today's example is just one with a catch basin and a cut in the curb to get that water off your lawn. I hope it's helpful for you. Once again, Rusty, Masters Lawn Care. Have a great day.